go. They doubt you. Show them again what you are about. I need to see your eyes know if you're ready. I need to see your eyes know you're ready. Look me in the eyes, baby. Let's go.
Set the challenge, man. We're here. Let's go take it. Let's go, Green. Let's go, Andrew. Everything you got, baby. Let's go now. Let's go lay it on the line for each other, okay? Let's go do a great job with our communications. All that.
Let's dominate tonight, baby. And let's bring some energy tonight, baby. Yeah.
Let's go get it. It's fundamental. Come down to fundamental. Take care of the ball.
They still got to play us. They still got to play us. Let's go. Man, it's all about us. Let's go. Everything you got. Remember who we are. No one works like us, baby. No one works like us. No chance to show it tonight. 1-on-3. 1, 2, 3. 1-0. Let's go.
Snap is good, as is the hold, and Sly has no trouble.
Let's go. Now you know what they're going to call on defense? Yeah. 4 press. Okay? It's not going to change. Okay? Now you cannot relax. You understand?
Pistol, give it to, play fake to Williams, lob one for the end zone, Cunningham!
What's up, DD? We gave our best. We're going to keep giving our best. Okay, now they got the ball first. We got to go set the tone this half like you have the first half, okay? Y'all got me on that?
You've done the work. It's your time. It's right there. It's right there. This is our will against their will. We're going to see the toughest team right now.
Here's the snap, handoff to Marshawn Williams, crashing and driving and into the end zone.
That's how you win that thing. What are you talking about, man? Let's go. Let's go, man. Hold on, man. Let's go, baby.
Hey, appreciate that block on that Malibu. That was all you.
The snap, lost the fade to the corner, and it is caught by Isaiah Ford.
You should not stop competing. Okay? Don't relax. Stay focused on the next play. Let's go, let's go.
Phillips in motion. And give it to Cam on the jet sweep. He turns back inside, dives forward.
We got a hell of a team.
Again, thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday to me! Happy birthday! Congratulations. Let's do it. Yeah.
This VT's house. Let's go. Yeah.
Let me get some more of that blue. I need some more of that blue.
Got him.
Got him.
This it. Got him, man.
For the 24th straight year, Virginia Tech's going to a bowl game. Because of what you have done so far, they're all big now. You understand that? They're all big. Okay, seniors are going to call on you. We got to go.